Hey guys, it's the 3rd of December, and what should we pick? Take something I hope will be a little quick because I don't have extremely much time today. So yeah, it's no. Just a second here. There we go. Just a cheap no-name lock with 3 keys and a pin there that are on the way out. I hope you can see that. Anyway, let's throw it in the vise and see if we can get this open rather quickly. So I can get going. This is a relatively small keyway. Where is the short hook now? Still quite bent. Ah, okay. Pin free, and it have 1, 2, 3. I think it have 4 pins. I should have, but either way, quick and easy. Let's just quickly in the hand see if we can rake rock zip. Rock it open, if we can even get it in there. Yeah, we can't even get the pick in, so we can't do that. We can't get anything in there. Last chance. New. Yeah, no. I'm gonna skip that because that's not gonna happen. At least the keys work. Anyway, that was a quick pick of that. Let's get it on the tree so I can get going and do all the things I need to do today. And we put it here because there is space for the keys to dangle around there. That was 3 locks out of 24 on the lock tree, Christmas tree, Lockmas tree. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the quick little pick for today. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.